What's going on, everyone? For this week's video, I am taking a detour into Miyazaki's wondrous Ghibli world, starting with the Oscar winner for the Best Animated Feature of 2001, Spirited Away. I picked things up after Chihiro's harrowing escape of the bathhouse. She and No Face wait for the train to seek Zaniba in hopes of gaining her forgiveness for Haku. So let's get into the 3D files. 3 different files from 3 different places. First, Chihiro. I got her from CG Trader by SoFi Cancel 24, No Face from Thingiverse by Baba123, and The Train from Free 3D by Z-Fear. Now let's turn these models into 3D prints. Let's get the base of the diorama going with some primer, then a coat of grayish blue. Had to tape these 2 down so they wouldn't get spirited away by my airbrush. No, literally, they would get blown off. This bust is going to be a mix of yellow and yellow ochre. Some seaside shade of blue for the windows. And some washed out red for the rest of the bus. Let's lay down some tracks. Now to mix up some of our classic terrain mix, random amounts of plaster, Mod Podge, and water. To create a base, I'm using this machine square to cut this foam into, quote, perfectly square corners. For the base of the ground, a light brown, then come over that with a tan earth wash. More of that garbage water earth wash. I remember seeing sizable stones along the tracks in the movie. Spraying them with some watered down Mod Podge to get them to stick. Now to frame up the piece with some acrylic cut pieces. Now this video wouldn't be complete without an obligatory epoxy resin mixing montage. I forgot that I had to place these guys in the resin, so I rushed to paint them. I'll finish up no face later. Now for 20 seconds of pure and unadulterated masking tape peeling pleasure. But first, safety goggles. Put on your Omni gogs. Trust me, you don't want to end up like
I'm alright, folks. Thanks to my Omni gogs.
A little late for Lenny.
I think a certain someone said that the cold helps with releasing the project from the mold. Yeah, that shit works. I like the clear look, so let's ruin it by adding some wave effects with Mod Podge. No, I'm not packing these for a move. But yes, I'm spraying them with some clear glaze to make them shiny. Now let's make some seafoam and a water turbulence effect. First time using this goopy thing, I watered it down first, then needed more height, so I had to layer it. This two-brush poking technique worked well. And that concludes my video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you aren't subscribed by now, please do. If you found this video entertaining and you like this content, please leave a like to help support my channel. I want to hear from you. What's your favorite Ghibli film? Who is your favorite Ghibli character? I have so many. It's so hard to pick just one.